So who named the air Koswa? Watch my previous post. I think the last 2 posts from this one. Na me mama tia say audio bi and a video bi air ko viral. Na video nim no na Reverend Obofo air kasa. Se wo nim na wo ye businessman na wo there wo no Reverend Obofo na wo man krofo ebete na wo radio station so edi wo no Reverend Obofo atema na kan semfa wo no Reverend Obofo ho a ono Reverend Obofo wo be so tia both physically and spiritually. Now when a Ghana for attributing to Kennedy Japan because he him say Kennedy Japan show so a year the seat show ne so no. Manasseh also for be a friend Manasseh any demon breaker but my betena so akansen bi afa Reverend Obofo ho. Inti Ghana for if you so snega Ghana for ni na ye video e ka say hey Reverend Obofo inti de Kennedy Japan de ye wanga sa wunua wo bi nim no wunsro nso wo kwa akoka no ye nim say Kennedy Japan be ba bonten aba abeye video ama Reverend Obofo. Now when I Ghana for a react, I have brought you the whole news in my previous video. This particular one is the reaction from Ghanaians. The Ghana for Eka. Yentie the Ghana for Eka. Ngofu bebre esru ama Reverend Obofo. I want us to go straight into what Ghanaians are saying, how Ghanaians are reacting to Reverend Obofo daring Kennedy Japan. Now, we'll be see. Reverend Obofo says if Kennedy Japan dares him or brings his things to his end, he will make Kennedy useless. Hey, and also will be can. Upon all that Kennedy is doing to Obinim, people are still not afraid to pick beef with him. This beef is going to be lit, and we are here for it. Asema will be can say Reverend Obofo can say Kennedy Japan. And the Nasemba Neswa will no be Kennedy Japan are useless. But I've told you guys. In the previous post I made, and I said Reverend Obofo didn't mention Kennedy Japan's name. Now, Mimi Susu said, Embra, also for be a friend of Prophet Elisha. Wako tina TV so, and a radio so, I can't send for Reverend Obofo hono. That time no, and I miss Susu say Reverend Obofo be ye audio yi. Because Reverend Obofo my yeti say, when you can now what ties Elisha nechino. One also a businessman be a only radio station. It's not Reverend Obofo can say businessman be a only radio station be a woman for assembly dino. I'll make you useless. In Ghana for who said Abi, it relates to Reverend it relates to Kennedy Japan so. Inti womo e de aba womo de Kennedy Japan din aba for it. Ghana de sa asemba me a shede kutwa parts bi. I gave you vivid examples. Say will be nim crowd and the sand ye de ye no. Asema will be nim nkan ne yakwa akotwa ne de akoma Kennedy Japan say will be nim si wo coronavirus e draw meanwhile and yes and will be nim kan he. Just say sa any ye print okwa will be nim and then will be nim sebe what that pre sales mu a ne ho air training obese wo kofia sebe bill akoya asema ye ntumi embeli no. Reverend Obofo nso ni die ni yede ye obi nim no afei yesanso e de ba Reverend Obofo so. But you see, I am telling Reverend Obofo should learn from obi nim situation no. Second Japan ba ebe issue one because obviously you need second Japan will come and reply to Reverend Obofo. Second Japan ba bontin ebe reply to Reverend Obofo a Mr. Reverend Obofo monko ye de obi nim eye no. We share Kennedy Japan any obi nim de na. Obi nim initially was right because asemo awanka ena ye de koma Kennedy Japan say obi nim aka ansem wey inti Kennedy Japan deal with obi nim emayen ena Kennedy Japan so ebe deal with obi nim so ama na no anda ena obi nim eba abontin be di Kennedy Japan atem because that time na obi nim asem eye de but we be di Kennedy Japan atem na Kennedy Japan ka say hey we be di matem wa violate inti Reverend Obofo please mesraw roadmap no ewo ho utiemia roadmap no ewo ho wonso ya sha asese ye de ye asem no wan bo Kennedy Japan din na enye Kennedy Japan ena na wo ka ne ho asem but ya e de abehye Kennedy Japan kon se eye Kennedy Japan na wo ka ne ho asem enye hwe Kennedy Japan be ba bonten se nia asem no so e kono clearly wo be hu ne se e bia eye Kennedy Japan na Reverend Obofo wo ka ne ho asem but Mr. Reverend Obofo se Kennedy Japan ba now we bad the can no too shorter. Please don't follow up. Uko follow up pe. Wasobeye she papa enye easy. What time for remember the boss was one say what time for. One time for bebre ebe sorry the nsem akwa akoma Kennedy Japan. Wo dia grass send will be ni me ya da no wonso ye di bi be ye o. Nti asem a Ghana for air can no. Obi so say me there I think if Obofo saw what Kennedy Japan did to Obinim and is doing this, he's probably very sure of himself and he knows chairman no get anything on arm. Asema will be so air canon. So Ghanaians actually believe say Reverend Obofo was speaking to Kennedy Japan to be air can says Reverend Obofo to me na kukudro aba bonten abeka nsem way afa Kennedy Japan ho pa dia. Na say Reverend Obofo nso woni be bia wono nso free. Onu nso nim say boni bia eni ne ho. Obi nso say who is Obofo? Obofo stay in your lane. Don't cut for trouble. Kennedy Japan is busy making money. Asema will be so Eddie Abanono. Obi nso say Reverend Obofo just moved to Kennedy Japan. This man doesn't like peace. Well, we will have another lecture on him very soon with new fella and Noko Ken for info no who kime. Iti Ghana for there nekre nkofu bebre ni agye a wo mo twen said there Kennedy Japan the year will be nim no one for the same thing embeye Reverend Obofo. But Reverend Obofo me there maka atrel. Obi also say Obofo throw first bullet give Kennedy Japan. Hey, this thing is very scary. Asema will be aka no. Obi also say Kennedy Japan is a whole mood chale. He says he shared some of his properties among the okay, a different matter but asema airka and no. Asema airka and asema airkono and no Ghana for air travel more adwen. Obi say same loud mouth of Obinim has ended him where he is now. Obofo wanna do the same to Kennedy Japan. Wrong move. Asema Obi so air no. Obi so say the tougher you grow, the more dangerous the world becomes. Life has a funny way of keeping things balanced. Honorable Kennedy Japan versus Reverend Obofo, it is about to go down. Asema Obi so air no. Obi also say Kennedy Japan was the first MP to vote. Okay, Obi say what's wrong with pastors and angel names? Kennedy Japan has some mystery to solve. Asema Obi so air no. Nkofu bebre Obi also say Reverend Obofo versus Kennedy Japan new beef cooking. Let me monitor from afar. Asema Obi so air no. Obi say but Obofo is making leaves. I don't support Obofo either, but we shouldn't let Kennedy Japan use his 1962 tricks on us during this 21st century. Asema Ghana ni so air no say tricks are Kennedy Japan wo use to Ghana for no 1962 tricks. Obviously, Kennedy Japan, I strongly believe Obofo can finish Kennedy Japan simple. Ghana for Intoko amu free. Intoko amu free. Mobema ya kwako fre dance ni abokao. Mobema ya kwako fre dance ni abokao. I say I strongly believe Obofo can finish Kennedy Japan simple. Kra, masa. Ghana for be bread trauma adwin. Ghana for bebre air trauma adwin. Obi say, hey, by this time informants are already sending Obofo's infos to Kennedy Japan. No time to waste. And also ni asema will be say by this time one more Reverend Obofo ni omo nya asem nina no one more air sending info ama Kennedy Japan. Obi say Kennedy Japan said I should assure all his fans to calm down. The investigation about Reverend Obofo has already been done. You guys should relax and meet him on Monday on the 2 TV. It's about to go down. Asema will be airca and no. Ghana for bebre Osha Omoniaje, but I have told you. Sadia na ye e wo man we mu no enye. Se me aye pe asem ama ensofo no. Bible no kraka. Wo say Sintidia ne beba o. Na so die woni ko a enam ne so. Die saa ena Obinim mo de ye no ende woda bebi a enye Obinim die no die Obinim kan ene se me Obinim mo ate se ye keka anankofo keka say me obi nim yare fofra aba no me wa anu aduro me sremo coronavirus no me ni anu aduro ena baby a obi nim ka say yesi yare fofra aba no me wa anu aduro no ena obi share da kwa kate sa part ne pe wanfa me sremo coronavirus no me ni anu aduro no me sremo me ni anu aduro no wanfa nka ho okwa kate part no obi nim say yesi me wa anu aduro otwa yesi ni free ho it sounded like me wa anu aduro ena wo this video no ko say na Kennedy Japan say Kennedy Japan asema obi nim aka no ende baby a obi nim da ya che no woni Kennedy Japan nya asema ende ya che no ni na asema hyaase nia no asema hyaase ni na no asema obi nim anka ene ekotwa video ni bi ye de ko say na Kennedy Japan say Ken hwede obi nim eka ena Kennedy Japan so eba abonten ebe kasate a obi nim so hu ne say na asem ye de ono so hu ne say da bi manka adentia na wo say Kennedy Japan na wo claim say wono de wo ye investigation no wanye investigation ehu ne say say asem ne kan manka eye part bi keke no mu atwa wo mo de abre no nti obi nim so hu ne say da bi e wo so no so ba abonten ebe di Kennedy Japan atem e na wono so ba abonten be di Kennedy Japan atem enende bibi a obi nim eda no ba mi hu ne say asem de wo ye de nkra ne kre e kokra e be san so aba the same thing in a Reverend Obofon so ye de no woni wo bi nya asem ani pa ko ne be kan say Reverend Obofon wo re nipa ye mu ade ende enam so nti ya chi nipa na atum no na Reverend Obofon kan sa time ne say nipa na asem a say nipa na e ka no radio station owner bi o hye nipa ko na chi na say radio station owner no wo ye na adwen say wo be say wo no Obofon din a Obofo no ene ni be dili ena ya shada ko kate sa part na ba say hey radio station owner Reverend Obofo kan and a businessman Reverend Obofo kan ti na tre say Kennedy Japan asem ene Kennedy Japan because Ghana for nim say Reverend Obofo ka to hold dada say businessman bi only radio station be a friend Metro FM say wono Obofo din ena we dey aba ende ye dey be say Obofo nso de ye dey ayo obi nim no ye pese ye did the same thing Reverend Obofo ye pese ye did the same thing ye no me dey maka twa mo say me dey asem dey ye ne kra ye beka ya ka ye ne kra ye dey beto be bi eda mo ntwe mo adwo comment box mo tie for me na ase